Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Maurya and I am from Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. I've done my BCA in 2020 with the percentage of 66%, and after that I searching for a job in IT sector, so I couldn't find. From Nokia.com I got to know about eVision. eVision is a IT consultancy and recruitment company where I enroll myself for job guarantee program for on 8th of January 2024. After the completion of the program, I learned many things, just like Windows administration, various kind of troubleshooting, and OS issue, how to resolve OS issue, and all, and CCNA. So after that knowledge, I got placed in Intec Infonet with the salary package of 2.6 LPA, and I like to thank every trainer and special thank to Sati ma'am and Ganesh Murthy sir. Thank you.